Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, but not today in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Last night I basically took the night off from actual cooking. I had a beautiful Red Baron Pizza Special Deluxe. It has been, according to my notes, because as you know me, I keep notes on everything I cook. January was the last time I had a Red Baron pizza. It was yummy. I ate it all. It's gone. No leftovers. Tonight is a whole different situation. Today, the Culinary Expedition is in Norway, where I'm going to be preparing, I'm going to try to get this correct, Raspeballer, which is a Norwegian potato dumpling. But what's fun about this recipe, it's not just about the potato dumplings, it's about what goes with it as a meal. So, let's get to it. Lots of potatoes today. I've got russets and I have reds. One gets boiled, the other gets grated raw. That's the base of the dumplings. A little bit of all-purpose flour. This empty dish represents barley flour. If I can't find barley flour this morning, which one source does not have it, I also have the possibility of using oat flour or rye flour. So, potatoes, flour, a little bit of salt, and they are cooked in beef stock. The protein for the meal is smoked sausage. And then the side dish, the vegetable portion, this empty bowl represents rutabaga. Or I found out this morning from one of our favorite recipe providers, Swede, Swede, which is British for rutabaga. So it's rutabaga and a carrot mash, which has a little bit of cream, just a pinch or two of nutmeg and butter, and of course, parsley to go around. And the best part about tonight, it's date night. We postponed it because of the way things, money fell and meetings. And so Robin and I are having date night tonight. And she gets to enjoy one of the Culinary Expedition meals. Yeah. Prep's going to be done a little differently today because I have so many things that oxidize, mostly the potatoes. I've never worked with rutabaga, so I don't know if it oxidizes. I haven't done the research yet. So, considering that's most of it, one thing I forgot to mention is the potato dumplings and the smoked sausage get cooked together in the beef stock. The alternative is you can also use veggie stock or broth. Okay. I'm going for the beef. All right, Winco. I was at Winco yesterday. The management at Winco has done something smart with the produce. That wall is still blocked off. They're renovating it, the cold wall. But they have put out a lot of produce in the main aisle between the warm section of the produce and the rest of the what I call the grocery aisles, the canned goods and so forth. So that main aisle that divides them is full of produce, peppers, Roma tomatoes. Hopefully they don't change things around. I actually was talking to one of the clerks yesterday. And there is some more produce in the meat department all the way on the end, closer to the what I consider the dairy section. That's where I found the parsley, and there's more fresh greens are in a lower cold case. So there is more produce available at Winco. Most of your normally used items, you're just gonna have to just bear with it. I was also told the end of November, or basically the end of this month, they should be done with the renovations in the produce department. That's why I'm having to go hunt rutabaga this morning, because that's kind of a specialty item. So, but I've already got sources. My special projects went really well yesterday. I'm not finished, but I got a majority of the work, or at least half of the work, done yesterday on 2 projects. So yeah, I have been busy. If you don't see prep photos from me today, it's just because this prep is a little weird. I can't prep a lot of this ahead of time. So yeah. Yeah, I don't want to grate potatoes and put them in water and have them, that would be just bad, because I don't need that moisture. All right, so on this Tuesday, by the way, go vote. That's all I'm going to say about that. Have a great day. Oh, by the way, it is Taco Tuesday, so if you're not having something at home, go visit your favorite taqueria or make tacos at home. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.